Hi boys and girls. Some of you have already found this resource, but I wanted to make sure that you were all aware that it was there. Um, there is an extra resource online that has a lot of free books on it, especially chapter books. And what I did was I went ahead and I picked out a book for each of you to get you started. And many of you are reading the same book, so that maybe in the future we could do a little book club activity with it. So, as you can see, I am logged on to Google Classroom, and I just went to the reading section and scrolled down a little bit. So it says new material, GetEpic. So there's a link right here, and it does have all of the login information right on there for you, but I'm going to show you how to get on. So we're going to click this link so that we can go to GetEpic. Okay. Our class code is MBN 6610, and then you hit the word go. Okay. From here, it's going to show you a bunch of icons of everybody in our class. You can see that it's kind of giving you all your own for free. So I'm going to go ahead and just sign in as Avery. Hope you don't mind, Avery. And right away when you log in, it tells you your teacher sent you a book, and you can check it out just by clicking check it out. So Avery, I gave A Boy Called Bat. Okay, so once you're on here, you can just go ahead and read the book. You can use these arrow keys, and then as you hover over with your mouse, you can see that it turns into a black arrow, and that's how you can actually turn the pages. You can also go backwards if you need to, so you can read the entire book digitally. You can X out of this. Okay. If you go to mailbox, just in case you accidentally close it, it also has books on here. So here's The Boy Called Bat, so your first book on there will be the book that I chose for you. And then I guess maybe Avery was on here checking things out a little bit. So it has a book that she was starting to look at as well. Okay. You can also explore your own books. Okay. There are comic books, books that can be read to you. There are videos. I did see that one of you were in there reading a lot of those. If you hit this here, GRL, that stands for your guided reading level. So you can actually search books by level just like you can in our library. So you can use the search to search like dinosaurs, if that's what you want. Or you can use this and actually find all books that are in level L to O or level I to L or P to S. You can actually find books this way, and it actually has it sorted from here, and you can see that a lot of these are read to me books and things like that. So it's kind of a mixture, fiction, nonfiction, all of those things, but it is a really great resource. I know the longer we're at home, you might not have access to as many books that you might be interested in, so this is a great way to do that. And again, hint, hint, I'd like to move towards distance learning book clubs in the future. Okay? I hope you check it out, and I hope you enjoy.